let's make Laccha Pyaaz, an onion salad, an Indian onion salad. It's very crisp and it's beautiful combination for biryanis. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 2 to 3 guests, but it depends upon how big the onions are. 1 onion cut into rings. Water. Add some ice to it. Add the ring onions to it. Leave it for 10 minutes. Drain all the water. Transfer to a plate or a bowl. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of black salt. Half teaspoon of chaat masala. Fresh lemon juice, just half. Cracked black pepper, fresh, 1.5 teaspoon, and combine well. The Laccha Pyaaz is ready. The Laccha Pyaaz is ready. A beautiful combination for biryanis. Crisp onions with spices. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.